Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to dive into the world of Android app development, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll be exploring some of the best apps that can help you learn Android programming and master the tools you'll need. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to refine your skills, these apps provide valuable resources to guide you through the development process. Let's get started. Learn Android app development. Learn Android app development is an excellent educational app designed for beginners and aspiring developers who want to create Android applications. This app provides a comprehensive learning experience, covering all essential topics in Android development. Users can access tutorials, quizzes, and coding examples that guide them through the entire development process, from the basics of Java programming to more advanced concepts like user interface design and database integration. The app is structured in a way that allows users to learn at their own pace, making it perfect for those with busy schedules. Additionally, it includes resources such as code snippets, project ideas, and a glossary of terms, making it a well-rounded tool for anyone looking to start a career in Android development. Learn Android Studio Offline. Learn Android Studio Offline is another fantastic app for developers who want to master Android app development without relying on a constant internet connection. This app focuses specifically on Android Studio, the official integrated development environment, IDE, for Android development. It provides a wealth of offline tutorials, guides, and practical exercises that cover the features and functionalities of Android Studio. Users can learn how to set up their development environment, design layouts, write code, and debug their applications. The app's offline capability is particularly beneficial for users who may not always have access to the internet, allowing for continued learning anywhere and anytime. With its comprehensive content and user-friendly interface, Learn Android Studio Offline is an invaluable resource for both new and experienced developers looking to enhance their Android programming skills. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of learning apps for Android development helps you on your journey to becoming a proficient developer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and education resources. Which app are you excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.